The Vivo V50 is a high-end smartphone that combines robust performance with advanced camera capabilities. Here are its key specifications. Display: 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, offering a pixel density of approximately 453 pixels per inch. Features a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and diamond shield glass for enhanced durability. Processor: equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, 4 nanometers, providing efficient performance for daily tasks and gaming. Memory and storage: available in 3 configurations: 8 GB RAM with 128 GB. Internal storage: 8 GB. RAM with 256 GB. Internal storage: 12 GB. RAM with 512 GB. Internal storage. Utilizes UFS 2.2 technology for fast data transfer speeds. Cameras: rear cameras. Dual setup comprising two 50-megapixel lenses. Wide-angle lens with f1.9 aperture, 23mm focal length, 1.56-inch sensor size, and 1.0 micrometer pixel size. Features: phase detection, autofocus, PDAF, and optical image stabilization, OIS. Ultra-wide lens with f2.0 aperture, 15mm focal length, 119 degrees field of view, 1/2.276-inch sensor size, and 0.64 micrometer pixel size. Includes autofocus AF. Front camera: 50-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture, 21mm focal length, 1/2.276-inch sensor size,